Where are you going? There's a better way to get there. The UNAGI scooter, a scooter with soul. Life's too short to let transportation hassles keep you from connecting with the people and places you love. That's why my partners and I fell in love with electric scooters. The thing is, scooter sharing services are a real drag. UNAGI is superior because of advanced materials, state-of-the-art technology, precision engineering, and untouchable industrial design. Every single decision has been made with the rider in mind. From the multiple LEDs to keep you safe at night, to the invisible kickstand, to our patented one-click hinge. Thanks to the magnesium alloy handlebar and Toray carbon fiber tube, the UNAGI is ultra lightweight. It's perfectly minimalist in its aesthetic, but built for maximum strength and durability. A deck machined from a single block of aluminum. No seams, traction tape, or gritty finishes. And thanks to its painstakingly flawless paint job, it's ultra smooth. Simply beautiful. Wheels that are not only puncture-proof, but provide suspension thanks to air pockets ingeniously embedded throughout the tire circumference. The result is a perfect balance of comfort and responsiveness. Custom-designed motors deliver effortless power. Choose from a single 250-watt motor for flatter urban areas, or our epic 450-watt dual motor model with additional torque for hillier terrain. We wanted to own the perfect scooter, a scooter that empowers us to dive into our local culture with total ease and killer style. We made UNAGI because it's the scooter that we wanted. Now, you can have it too. UNAGI, take the ride of your life.
Now, let's meet Inokim Mini. The electric scooter is equipped with front electric and rear fender braking system. Front pneumatic tire decreases the vibration on rough urban terrain. The ministry-grade forging process makes the folding mechanism a super strong construction. Integrating the cables in a telescopic T-bar, we finally achieved a unified, hassle-free design of the Mini. Mini is super easy to ride. Give a kick to start riding and another to accelerate. The maximum speed can reach up to 11 miles per hour. Switches were used instead of throttle. Right to go, left to stop. Or even easier, rear fender brake offers a direct, lag-free braking. During a mild slowdown, the front electric brake system regenerates power and recharges battery for a longer range. Mini is portable and ultra-compact. One-step folding, grab and go. The meticulously engineered trolley wheel enables Mini to be dragged smoothly when not riding. Built-in USB charging port on the handlebar turns Mini into a battery pack with huge capacity. When folded, Mini leaves a footprint half the size of an A4 paper. It converts to trolley mode to maneuver in tight spaces, like escalators or the back of a car. We want to find out a better last-mile solution. After many exhausting rounds of designing, prototyping, and testing, Inokim Mini is now compact and stable, safe and easy to ride. So back us to have fun with your Inokim Mini.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.